Hello, my Pisces, Aries, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie Pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. So, without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Let's try and find out what are the energies trying to guide you. Angels and spirit guides. What's the message for my cusp babies for this month? Darlings, if you wish to book a personalized reading with me, please feel free to DM me. And would highly appreciate if you could follow my Instagram, Facebook page as well. Okay, let's see what can we have. So initially, I remember I would do these readings for you all on a weekly basis. Okay, but somehow I felt that I should keep it like a short, crisp one so that you have it's easy for you all also just to go through and figure out what is it trying to say. Is there anything coming up? No. So what is the theme? Receptivity. So be in a receptive mode, work on your loving kindness, harmonious relationship energies, increase water intake. I think this month is all about giving, all about love. Love seems to be playing a very important role for you in this month. Okay, that seems to be the theme. Now, let's see what are the other energies trying to say. So, as I say, love heals anything and everything. So, yeah, we begin with the creator sharing. Beautiful. See, it's like a couple. Okay, change, master, stress, integration, abundance. Hello, change. So, we have two kings, we have two queens. What is this month all trying to tell you? Let's try to decode. Um, a new chapter is opening up because we have change and completion, which is trying to say something beautiful. One door is closing for another door to open, and maybe you might just get stressed because of which. The universe is trying to say, learn to be in a receptive mode and go with the flow. Your energies are imbalanced. So you might feel things are not going in a favor, which might stress you up. But this is what it's trying to say. The yin and yang energies need to be balanced. How? Breathing techniques, chanting mantras, meditation, chakra balancing, gaining clarity, ask and you shall receive the answers. Okay? Also, for a lot many, my masculine energy, you're gonna get some hierarchy coming in your career front. So remember, you're unique in your own headspace, but somehow you have ego issues coming up. So take care of your stomach areas. If you can see, this is like a sun thing. You have the sun, you have the moon, you have the moon. So money flow is coming in day and nights. Probably you just need to balance your energies. Again, people are looking up to you, or they will look up to you. So tread very carefully and just allow, avoid getting into a third party, which I think you might fall for just on human tendencies, but we will check what the love energies are trying to say. Okay, but otherwise I think you have an amazing month. You don't have to stress out as much as you think you might, but no, there's nothing much. Now let's ask your angels what guidance do they wish to give you. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance, we have go for it. So whatever you have been, you have to go for it. You have to take control of your life. That is what the unicorn, that's your spiritual guru, mentor, your angels telling you. You need to take action. You cannot expect people to do the needful. Okay, don't get influenced by people. Your higher self is trying to tell you something. Just go and achieve that. You have that thing in you. Don't doubt yourself. Okay, now let's come to the love energies. What are they trying to tell you? Angels and spirit guides, guidance, or whatever is coming up for my cusp babies. Soulmates and paradise, beautiful. So you are meeting somebody who seems to be like a soul collection connection. Maybe that's the reason we have two kings and two queens. You have a soul contract. You will enjoy each other's company. You might travel along. So good news, good things are coming, or probably you might meet this person, or it is also trying to say give each other time. Okay, now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Message. So somebody will give you some message. Pay very close attention through calls, text. You might have some messages. Messages need not be of love. It could also be of some hierarchy, some promotion. So some good news is coming up. And if you think you guys are quite busy in your work profile, don't forget to leave a voice note for your partner. Maybe that is something that your partner would love, some love messages, or plan some dates. That is what it's trying to say. And it is also trying to say that your partner thinks about you. So, how do I sum up this month? Well, just be in a receptive mode, because beautiful shifts are coming in your life. Maybe you're not aware, maybe you might be stressed out. Focus on yourself, work on your creative side, learn to say a no, and get your energies balanced. That is the priority. Your angels are asking you to take control of your life and go and achieve whatever you want, because you need to believe in yourself. Love is definitely in the air. There's a soul contract. You will always have this push and pull effect. Enjoy each other's company. And yes, a beautiful message is coming up your way. Are you ready to know what it is? Allow universe to help you in unveiling it. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.